And it happened by applying the idea of my 29th thesis, where consciousness teaches the brain and body to socially engage with itself, and in the process of healing internal attachments, indirectly, automatically, beyond awareness, without doing it intentionally or even diving into it, all the neural wiring from every year of life in relation to all the roles in the neurobiological social engagement system with conscious and unconscious, or explicit and implicit memories, and all of the associated regulatory protocols encountered complete, total, expansive, profound, infinite transformation. Without working with any of the regulatory protocols in the brain or body, without working with any of the memory data, without working with any past experiences, without working with any specific neural wiring, all of it was transformed by guiding consciousness to teach the brain and body to socially engage with its own self. And in the process, along with other elements of the healing journey, nurture internal attachments.